The insight that the cosmos unfolds with predictable order provides a revolutionary context for reality itself. Elegant, mathematical, harmonious, like a symphony. There's a saying that someone with good health wants many things, and someone who's sick wants just one. Being healthy is not just a personal prerequisite, as became painfully clear with the pandemic-induced collapse of 2020. It's the fulcrum for the economy of communities, countries, the whole world. Along with energy inventors, we were contacted by doctors and healers who reported phenomenal results using energy in the form of sound and light waves to promote healing. According to quantum physics, sound waves are what shape matter. Our bodies are matter, so it makes sense that sound frequencies could also impact us. I traveled the world investigating how these new insights into vibration, frequency, and resonance are transforming our understanding of biology and health.
Health to me is clear communication between an individual and the unified field. We have billions of chemical reactions happening in each of our trillions of cells every second. And they're happening in a coordinated manner, sometimes faster than the speed of light. What's responsible for that communication and coordination and connection? The field.
Humanity has been given an idea that there are two realms to the universe, a physical, mechanical realm, the material things that we see, as well as an invisible realm. In a Newtonian world, only physical things can affect a physical body, and that led to the development and evolution of the pharmaceutical industry, which sells chemicals to affect our body. And then we find out from quantum physics that energy signals are profoundly more effective in controlling biology than matter. Chemistry, by its definition, is always associated with side effects. They're not side effects, they're direct effects. 300,000 people die every year in America from taking prescription drugs.
If you're sitting around a table with 3 women, one of you is taking an antidepressant. We have half of Americans today opening up to 4 prescription bottles every day. But when you learn more about what the evidence actually suggests around how well these medications really work and how potentially harmful they can be, you might begin to think, there could be a better way.
If instead of suppressing symptoms, our goal is healing, what would be different? All of the health innovators who I met related to the body with respect and to symptoms with curiosity. It's feedback. What's our body telling us is out of order? So to these healers, just suppressing a symptom is actually cutting off a much needed source of information, because They look to get at the cause of a problem rather than just stop the effects of there being a problem. I certainly don't mean to imply that your allopathic doctor doesn't want you to get well, or that there's no use for conventional medicine. It's good for all kinds of things. It's that the doctors don't even have access to the full range of options. Early diagnosis and self-help natural and energy-based cures don't benefit the pharmaceuticals. And pharmaceutical companies are the ones funding the medical education and influencing regulatory approvals and laws. What conventional doctors are taught and have access to is all funneled through the same centralized control matrix.
Our life expectancy has fallen over the last few years for the first time in history. And now, if you look at the life expectancy in the United States compared to other countries, we're 30th. We have the highest incidence of depression, obesity, yet we're spending more per capita on healthcare than any other nation in the world.